Welcome to this REVIT training course, dedicated to metal structure hangers. In this course, you will learn how to develop a complete steel hanger model from scratch, using a real project. Our first step will be to prepare our work environment, open REVIT, and create a new project using the structural template. Next, we will define the units, go to Manage, Project Units, and set them to meters. After that, we will adjust our levels. Level 1 is already set at plus 0.00 meters and will be used as the reference ground level, so we only need to add the 2 roof levels above it. Level 2, plus 4.50, lower roof level. Level 3, plus 6.00 meter, higher roof level. Now switch to a floor plan and create the grids according to the hanger's axes. For your project, place 2 horizontal grids, A and B, with a spacing of 6.00 meters between them. Next, place 6 vertical grids, 1 to 6, with equal spacing of 4.20 meters between each grid line.